Now we are going to converting a smaller unit to bigger unit. Converting a smaller unit to bigger unit. So we are going to do the problems. Now if you do the problems, you can understand the concept very clearly. So now we are going to practice the sum. The first one is converting a smaller unit to bigger unit. The first question, first subdivision A question, 13,500 milliliter, 13,500 ml. ml is called as milliliter. 13,500 milliliter is converted into liter. So I told you smaller to bigger means you have to what? First, smaller to bigger means you have to divide. Okay, that is the division. Division by 1000. So already I have told you. So what is this? 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So according to the question, you have to change over the formula. So what is this? 13,500 divided by what? 1000. You can get the liter. So 13,500 divided by 1000. 1000. This is okay? 1000. So how many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. So what you are going to do? You have to move the place. You have to move the decimal place. Decimal place to the what? To the left. To the left. This 3 decimal place. 3 decimal place to the left direction. So 1, 2, 3. So 0, 0, 5. 3 decimal place to the what? Left. 3 decimal place. Move 3 decimal place to the left. So then point, then 3, then 1. So 13 point, after that 500 ml. That is called as. After that you have to cancel. I told you already, after the point if you had how many zeros, you just cancel it. There is, if you had how many zeros, there is no value for it. So better you cancel it. So 13.5 ml. The answer is 13.5. Sorry, not ml. This you are converting into liter. So 13.5 liter. So 13.5 liter. 13.5 liter. This is the right answer for the question. I'll repeat once again. Smaller unit into bigger unit, you have to divide by 1000. So 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. That's a formula. So according to the need, according to the question, you have to change over the formula. So 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So 13,500 divided by 1000. 13,500 divided by 1000. So in 1000, how many zeros? 3 zeros. So you have to move 3 decimal place to the left. Okay. So once, and then 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal place. Move to the 3 decimal place. Move to the left side. So 0, 0, 5. Then you have to put a point. Then after that you write 1, 3. That is 13.500 liter. So after the point you should not consider the zeros. So you just write 13.5 liter. This is the right answer for the question. Next, 550 ml. Second question. We have done the first sum. Now we are going to do the second sum. So 550 ml is equal to how much liter? So that means L. It's called as L. So 550 divided by 1000. So in this 1000, 3 zeros. So you have to move 3 decimal place to the left side. So what you're going to do? 0, 5, 5. Then you have to put a point. So before the point you have to add 0. So after the point the 0 is not considered. So the answer is 0.55 L. 0.55 L. 0.55 liter. This is the right answer for the question. Okay. Next, converting the bigger unit to smaller unit. Converting the bigger unit to smaller unit. So bigger to smaller means you have to multiply by 1000. So multiply by 1000. This is the rule. So first question, first subdivision is over. Now we are going to do the second subdivision. Converting the bigger unit to smaller unit. The question is 12.5 liter. So first A question, 12.5 liter is equal to how much milliliter? So 12.5, that is, I told you 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So that you have to multiply by 1000. Okay, you have to multiply by 1000. So multiply by 1000 means you have to write 1, 2, that means 12 point as it is, right? 5. Then you have to add how many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. Then you have to move the points. So this decimal point move 3 decimal place to the what? Right direction. This decimal point move 3 decimal place to the right direction. Okay. So This point comes here. That means 12500, then point after that 0. So after the point you should not consider the 0. The answer is 12500. That means 12,500 what? Milliliter. This is the right answer for this question. 12,500 milliliter. So don't forget to write the units. Units is very essential. If you forget to write the units, definitely the teacher will reduce your marks. 12,500 ml is already written, so I don't want to write it. So 12,500 ml. This is the right answer for the question. The next one is 0.8 liter. So first A question is over. Now I'm going to do the B question. That is 0.8 liter converted into milliliter. Okay, convert into milliliter. That's a question. So I told you already 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So you have to multiply the same method. Multiply by 1000, 0.8 into what? 1000. So write as it is 0.8. In 1000 how many zeros? 3 zeros. Add 1, 2, 3 zeros. So this decimal point move 3 decimal place to the right. Okay. So after 800.0 will come for this question. So after the point you should not, how many zeros you have written, you will not consider the zeros, there is no value for the zeros. So cancel the zero as it is. So 800 what? ml. So don't forget to write ml. ml is essential because units is very, very important. So definitely you have to write the units. Without, definitely they will reduce the marks. Half a mark will be reduced. So 800 ml. This is the right answer for the question. This is the right answer for the question.